Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vacuums for cleaning under the bed that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the VacMaster Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner. This is the budget-friendly option in our lineup, priced at just $33.97. But don't let the price fool you. It packs quite a punch for its cost. One of its standout features is its powerful 14 kPa suction, which is impressive for such a lightweight machine at just 3.7 pounds. It also comes with a versatile 2-in-1 design, switching easily between a stick vacuum and handheld mode. This makes it ideal for cleaning under beds, tight corners, and even your car interior. The build quality is solid for the price, with a telescopic wand that helps you reach under furniture and hard-to-access areas. The washable HEPA filter is a great addition, capturing 85% of particles and reducing the need for frequent replacements, a key feature for anyone concerned about air quality in their home. However, the dust cup capacity is limited, meaning you'll need to empty it more frequently during extended cleaning sessions. In terms of performance, the VacMaster does well on hard floors and low-pile carpets, but struggles a bit on thicker carpets and rugs. It's also relatively quiet at 70 dB, making it a good choice for households where noise is a concern. Overall, this vacuum is perfect for light-duty cleaning and is best suited for people on a tight budget who need a reliable machine for simple tasks. Pros include affordability, lightweight design, and a washable filter. On the downside, its suction and dust capacity may not meet the needs of more demanding users. At number 4, we have the MHR Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with a 180-degree bendable wand. This vacuum is all about convenience and versatility, offering an 8-in-1 cleaning system and a rechargeable battery for cordless operation. Its standout feature is the bendable wand, which makes cleaning under beds and other low furniture incredibly effortless. The self-standing design means you can park it anywhere without leaning it against a wall, a handy feature in busy households. Performance-wise, the MHR delivers strong suction with its 180W motor, making it effective on hard floors and low-pile carpets. However, it's not ideal for thick carpets or long-pile rugs, as the runtime in high-speed mode can be limited to under 10 minutes. On low-speed mode, you'll get about 20 minutes of runtime, which might not be enough for larger homes. The advanced filtration system includes a HEPA filter and stainless steel components, ensuring clean air and easy dust management with its one-button ejection system. While it's slightly heavier at 7.06 pounds, the vacuum's ergonomic design and versatile attachments make it a solid choice for diverse cleaning tasks. Pros include cordless operation, bendable wand, and advanced filtration. Cons are its shorter battery life and limited effectiveness on thick carpets. This vacuum is perfect for users seeking flexibility and ease of use, especially for smaller cleaning jobs or apartments. At number 3, we have the CFBF Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, a specialized tool designed for deep cleaning mattresses, beds, and other fabric surfaces. If allergens and dust mites are your primary concern, this vacuum is a game changer. Its 16 kPa suction power, combined with UVC light and ultrasonic technology, removes 99.99% of allergens and bacteria from surfaces, making it ideal for households with children or allergy sufferers. The 140-degree Fahrenheit high-temperature airflow further enhances its ability to sanitize fabrics. The design is compact and lightweight at 3.97 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. The dual-cup filtration system is both washable and reusable, which reduces maintenance costs over time. With a 16.4-foot cord, you'll have no trouble reaching under beds and across large areas without needing to constantly reposition the plug. However, it's worth noting that this vacuum is not suitable for long-pile carpets or delicate fabrics like silk. In terms of performance, the CFBF excels at cleaning flat surfaces, but lacks versatility for general-purpose vacuuming. If you're looking for a vacuum specifically for beds and sofas, this is a fantastic option, but it's not a replacement for a regular household vacuum. Pros include excellent allergen removal, UVC sanitization, and high-temperature airflow. Cons are its limited use cases and unsuitability for deeper carpet cleaning. It's perfect for users who prioritize hygiene and allergen control. Coming in at number 2 is the Shark Rocket Ultralight Corded Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum is a versatile powerhouse designed for both carpet and hard floor cleaning. At under 9 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for cleaning tight spaces under beds and around furniture. The swivel steering adds to its agility, while fingertip controls let you toggle seamlessly between surfaces. The Shark Rocket's standout feature is its ability to convert into a handheld vacuum, providing floor-to-ceiling cleaning capabilities. It includes useful accessories, such as an upholstery tool, an anti-allergen dust brush, and a crevice tool for tackling various cleaning challenges. The dust cup is easy to empty, allowing you to get back to cleaning quickly. Additionally, its HEPA filter ensures excellent air quality by trapping allergens and dust particles. While the Shark Rocket delivers strong suction and versatility, its dust cup capacity is relatively small at 0.31 quarts, meaning frequent emptying is required. It's also corded, which may limit mobility for some users. Pros include lightweight design, versatile cleaning capabilities, and HEPA filtration. Cons are limited dust capacity and corded operation. This vacuum is ideal for users seeking a reliable, all-around performer for deep cleaning under beds and beyond. Finally, at number 1, we have the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner, a premium choice that offers exceptional performance for both carpets and hard floors. Priced at $79.99, it's the most expensive option on our list, but it delivers excellent value for those who need a powerful and versatile vacuum. With its 960-watt motor and multi-surface design, this vacuum tackles dirt and debris with ease, making it particularly effective for cleaning under beds and around furniture. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a lightweight design at 8.15 pounds and a telescoping wand for extended reach. The 2.5-liter dust container is generously sized, meaning fewer trips to the trash during cleaning sessions. Plus, its washable filters eliminate the need for costly replacements, making it an economical choice in the long run. The integrated crevice tool and dusting brush are conveniently stored in the handle, ensuring you never lose them. The Eureka Whirlwind's automatic cord rewind and easy empty dust cup add to its convenience, while its swivel steering makes maneuvering around tight spaces a breeze. On the downside, it's not cordless, which might be a drawback for some users. Pros include powerful suction, large dust capacity, and excellent build quality. Cons are corded operation and slightly higher noise levels at 82 dB. This vacuum is perfect for users who value efficiency, durability, and versatility in their cleaning tools. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.